It is Friday, it's 6:30, the market is open. It is February 7th, 2025. We're gonna wait our first 5 minutes, get some levels set, and then enter into a high probability trade. Cool, all right, we have our level set. It is 6:35, so we have our 5-minute high right here. This is gonna be our pre-market high. This is a liquidity zone that was untouched. So this just got broken through for the first time after, I think this was like since Monday. I'll have to take a look. Bear with me here because now this white line this was a downward trend from all-time highs. I think that stretched back into last year, 2024. So the market came to it, tapped it, rejected slightly, and is building above it. So on a grand scheme, on a pullback look on a daily, if we're looking at this, we got a break above, and we'll probably see a retest down into it. On top of that, we have previous day high, and then this is a 5-minute low with another liquidity zone that we were bouncing around. So we have a lot of resistance and support levels to be working with. Here's another liquidity zone. This is a weekly liquidity zone, so it holds more weight, more resistance here. But if it breaks through it, the support that it'll hold will give a lot of support to get more legs up. So this is a weekly liquidity zone that has not been touched yet. So as always, going to wait for, we have a break above our 5-minute high right now. We don't really have any news. I'd like to see a little bit more displacement on this. This is a retest. There's our breakthrough. Let's see how this holds. I'd like to see the candlestick close above the 5-minute high, along with another candlestick that shows price action moving upwards more. We didn't get that candle close above the 5-minute high. The market's really struggling to get above the 5-minute high right here. There's some news at 7 o'clock. It's nothing too important. It's orange label. The market might be waiting for that announcement. There was earlier this morning, my time at 5:30 a.m., 8:30 on the East Coast. That was a jobs report that came in, so like unemployment, and that is this long wick of a candle. Okay, there's about 10 more minutes until 7 o'clock. I'm not really being presented with any type of setup yet, so I'll wait. Let's see this upward trend. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points right here. Let's see how that plays out. There's a lot of good displacement for the pre-market open. Seeing this came down. We didn't retest into the pre-market high just yet, but we're seeing a lot of strength here, a lot of support from the buyers, not wanting to really go any lower than this area right here. So let's see if we can get a break above our 5-minute high. So this upper trend line didn't hold. I need to have it anymore. Got about 2 more minutes until some news. Just an orange label, so I'm gonna sit and wait and see what it does. Okay, look at that, 7 o'clock. I'm glad I wasn't in anything. Okay, so the orange label was a little bit more than what I expected. Doesn't look like things turned out right, the right way. So not good numbers. That's all right. I think what we're seeing right now is grabbing money back from whatever happened with this large candlestick earlier in the morning with jobs reports, unemployment. Regardless, we broke our 5-minute low, waiting for a retest back into the zone. Geez, that news really shook up the market a bit. It's more than a 100-point drop. The sellers are really stepping in right now. We've got really good displacement here, but to come all the way back up into the 5-minute low, we'll be waiting for a little bit. Right now the market is approaching previous day low. Hopefully it'll be able to hold the zone here. Here's our retest into the pre-market low. Broke into it. Ideally, I want to see this go up into the 5-minute low, retest here, and then take another leg down. But the sellers came in strong on these couple candles here. Might really be in control of the market, so we might just get the retest of the pre-market low only today. Buyers are really struggling to claim the zone here. If we get another candlestick close below the pre-market low, I think I might hop into a short.
Order submitted.
Putting my stop slightly above the candlestick that broke the pre-market low. to low of day. I'm up $1,000 right now. I'm gonna let it hit my target, and then I'm probably gonna close out of this. I want to be done. It's a weird market day. Oh my god, it's teasing us. It needs to break low of day here.
Target. Order canceled.
Alright, hit both of my targets. Ending the day green. Okay. Great day. So we didn't actually get our retest back into the 5-minute low. We had a lot of displacement and broke below the 5-minute, below the pre-market low. This is why I let it retest into it. We had a lot of price action indicating it was going to continue going down. Had the retest into the pre-market low, entered into our short, and executed perfectly. Ending the week green. That trade was $1,300 plus. Very solid. I'm happy with that. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and I will see you on Monday.